So how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, sir. I'm fine. How are you?
I'm great. Thank you for asking.
Uh,
So this is the very first time when I'm talking to you, all right?
yeah. This is my first class with
So
you. Yeah.
yeah, I'm Himanshu Ranjan from Bihar, and
Mm-hmm.
I'm having my graduation from Maths Honors. I'm in my first year, and
Okay. Mm-hmm.
I'll be the tutor, for this session. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yeah.
So tell me something more about yourself because I had gone through a few videos of yours on YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Okay.
before this session, I gone through it, and I think you are speaking really well. You have
No,
a beautiful, yeah, you have a beautiful communication skills, I think. So you speak really well.
no, sir. Actually, I'm trying to be good.
No, but you are pretty good in communicating with the people. At least you are, not stucking in the middle of the conversation. That's the most important thing.
Mm-hmm. Right. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Okay.
tell me something
Yeah.
more about yourself.
Yeah. So, my name is Bhuvan, and I am from Uttarakhand. I live in a village here in Uttarakhand, actually. And I have done my graduation, and at present actually I am preparing for all kind of government's exam, and especially actually I am preparing for my own state exam. And if I would talk about my hobbies, so my hobbies are listening to podcast, watching news, and I love planting. Actually I am a nature lover
That
person.
that that's great,
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah. So actually I love nature. Yeah.
So you have completed your graduation
Yeah, I have
from
completed my graduation.
from
Yeah.
from which stream? From which stream?
I have done BCom. It's Bachelor of Commerce.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you have done BCom. So the same
yeah.
thing I'm exactly also doing. I'm also preparing for my government examinations, but not,
Okay.
not about my state governments. It's like central government examination.
Okay. So are you planning to give SSC exam?
Yeah,
SSC, Service
yeah,
Selection
SSC
Commission.
examination.
Okay. So are you
So
taking any coaching for that exam right now?
I'm not taking any coaching. I'm in my
Mm-hmm.
graduation, so I'm just doing my self study. And by the help of YouTube, a lot of teachers, I had taken some online classes, and that's I think really helpful. By the help of online classes, I used to have a lot of concept about the chapters and all that stuff. So I think it's pretty cool. I don't think that I should take offline classes anymore right now, but I'm planning to go somewhere to have my higher education. That's what I am planning nowadays.
Okay. Yeah, actually
Yeah.
nowadays a lot of contents on YouTube. If someone is really want to learn
Yeah.
or really want to achieve something, so there are a lot of content on YouTube. You
A
need not to
lot
go
of
anywhere.
contents are available. Yeah, a lot of
Yeah,
contents are available. You don't have to go anywhere to study something. If you
right,
wanted to stay at home and prepare for your examinations, a lot of websites, a lot of apps are
right,
available. Like from where, yeah, you can buy all the courses and you can have your study at your home. So I think that's the best
right.
thing.
Yeah, and the only thing you need is consistency, I would say.
Yeah, consistency, I think, is the most important thing. Whatever you are doing, you have to
Yeah,
be consistent, to achieve the success or goal, whatever you are running before. So I think consistency is the most important thing.
yeah, consistency as well as patience also.
Yeah, consistency, patience, a lot of hard works,
Lot
a
of
lot of
hard work. Yeah,
smart works too. Yeah,
yeah,
a lot of smart works. Yeah, all that thing matters. If you are
mm,
having all these sort of things at the same time, you are
mhm.
definitely gonna be a successful person in the future.
Yes, yeah, yeah, absolutely right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hmm.
So
Okay. Hmm.
I had seen a lot of, not a lot of, I had seen a few videos of yours. So I think you had also taken clappingo sessions, a few clappingo sessions.
Yeah. I have also taken clapping session. Yeah. Clapping and English Yaari also. I have taken
English
three
Yaari.
classes. I have taken three classes
So this
on
is
clap.
your first session.
This is my, I think, this is my third session. This is my third session on English Yaari. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
So how's going on everything?
yeah. Everything is going on good, and tutor are very good also here. Actually, we need practice, so I know very well. Like we need only practice and
Yeah, practice
practice.
practice always makes you a fluent speaker, I think.
Right, right, and yeah, if you speak every day, so then you will become fluent. Otherwise, there is no hard and fast rule to become fluent in language.
Yeah, that's absolutely correct, I think, because doesn't matter on which platform you are learning or you are speaking. The most important thing is to speak each and every day. Doesn't
Right,
matter on which apps or websites
right,
you are attached to, but the most important thing to speak each and every day.
right. Yeah,
Okay,
it
that's the
matters.
most important thing. Yeah, that's the most important thing.
Yeah.
So would you like to go with the topic that we have for the sessions, or if you have something else to discuss with me, then you can go for it.
Okay. Okay. Actually, I want to know about more about yourself. Like, you are in first year. So, are you from English medium or are you from Hindi medium?
I'm from English medium. I had started my education from CBSE schools, and
Okay.
I had completed my matriculation, my intermediate, all from CBSE schools. And right
Mhm.
now in my graduation from my like state university, like Bihar University, I'm doing
Mhm.
it. So all the education I did was from CBSE background.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. It's
Uh,
fine.